Facial skin care products men women, Alyfini electric face scrubber cleaning brush for bathroom shower. About this item. Deep cleansing. The Alyfini Silicone Face Scrubber Exfoliator brush uses food-quality silicone bristles and efficient sonic vibrations, combined with facial cleanser, foaming face wash to create rich and smooth foam, removes face makeup, dirt, and excess oil, provides 24-hour hydration, and leaves a moisturized, non-greasy feel. The facial cleansing washes brush gentle exfoliator and dead skin. Enjoy the beauty. Wet your face in the facial spin brush. Apply cleanser to the electric silicone facial scrubber, turn it on, and use facial cleanser tool in circular motions on your face. Its compact and lightweight size makes it the perfect facial tools for skin care, whether travel or home. SIWIEY is a perfect Christmas Thanksgiving skincare gift for men, boyfriend, husband, and your loved ones, or friends. Send them beauty, make them more confident. Warm reminder. The electric cleaning brush requires a long press of the power button to start and shut down. Our face wash brush is set to automatically shut down 15 minutes after default activation.
Thank you for watching Gadgets Hunt. Don't forget to subscribe.